Hey Spartan, Dr. Nick here from HealthSource Chiropractic. Welcome to this week's Health Tip of the Week, where we're going to be talking about stress and relaxation. You know, this is something that a majority of us are not super good at and we don't handle very well. So we're going to talk about a few easy tips to help yourself to have the best day, the best week you possibly can. So when we talk about relaxation, first and foremost, relaxation is one of those things that we don't put enough effort into, first of all, and we don't put enough time into. You know, a lot of us stay up late, get up early, we're groggy, we're tired, and how does that affect our day? Pretty bad most of the time, right? So how do we figure out what steps we can do to help ourselves? Now, you know, it comes down to a lot of different things. It comes down to how good of a bed and a mattress do we have. These are good things to think about first. But more importantly, I want to talk about just the time associated with it. You know, if we're staying up till midnight and we got to get up at 6 o'clock to get ready, we're going to be groggy. We're not going to want to roll out of bed. It's going to take a while. And our day just kind of starts off on a bad note. And guess what? That increases stress. It decreases your productivity, which leads to more stress. And before you know it, you got this vicious cycle of problems starting that leads to you just not being where you want to be. You know, we talk a lot in our office about goals and expectations and where we anticipate and where we want to be. Well, unfortunately, that relax and sleep plays a big part of that. And if we're not good about it, guess what? We struggle with those other things. So best advice I can give is make sure that you're going to bed at a consistent time and you're getting anywhere from 7 to 9 hours of sleep. That's going to be the best for you to be able to recover and heal and make sure that you're not sore, stiff, and achy. Because there's a ton of research that shows us that people who don't sleep enough or don't sleep well, they have problems with the muscles, they have problems with irritation, they have problems that just continually add up and lead to more aggravation. So the better rest you get, the better off you're going to be. Make sure you're getting it on a good quality mattress and a good quality pillow. If you don't know what that is, please ask. You know, I think a lot of times this is one of the bigger questions we get is, you know what, I have patients come in and say, hey, Dr. Nick, what mattress should I be looking at or what should I be getting? And, you know, it's kind of a loaded question. So if you have questions, make sure you ask us on a doc walk. Any three of the docs will be happy to answer that question for you. And we'll be able to get you in touch with the right people to help you make sure you get a good mattress for you and you're going to get that support, sleep, and rest that you need to have the productivity that you want. So if you have questions, reach out to us as always. Have Lori Lindsay get in touch with us. That's your health tip of the week. Hope you guys have a great weekend.